So we're here at the Hong Kong Fair. Hi.
Okay, hello everybody. Okay.
And here we see an example of drones that are being jammed. Actually, it was the police that just wanted to jam them all, and they're all crashing down. So you make technology for anti-jamming.
Yeah, technologies.
Anti-jamming, like the GPS, the Beidu system, like the navigation system.
All the global satellite navigation system.
And this is like, for example,
in
Vietnam, where
it's
somebody was jamming the drone show. And they're also crashing and not working.
The last May.
So what is the technology? How does it work to do anti-jamming?
It's use antenna technologies and also the innovative algorithms.
Innovative algorithm.
Especially we based on the Beidu technology.
So just for Beidu, not for GPS, not for other?
No. We can offer the anti-jamming for every signal. But
for the American, for the European, for the Russian,
for the Galileo, for the GLONASS.
All right.
Okay.
And here's an example I see in the video that the guy is trying to jam like a drone. And you have smart algorithm. Smart algorithm and smart hardware.
Smart hardware.
Because this, for example, you need to put it on the drone.
Just easily replaced the antenna, common antenna to this one, and input connected with flying control modules. With this, it can work. It's very easy.
I see 9 areas here. Does it have to do with the special hardware, or what is going on here?
It's an antenna. How to say it? It's a special design antenna.
Specially designed. It's not the same like other antenna. Special. And here also special antenna.
Same.
It's like also 9 area or something.
It's only different structures.
And this also.
Different,
And what is the big one here?
Big one is for the airplane, the real airplane. You can see the Chinese airplane can easily directly fly to the Middle East.
Nice. And here, for example,
it's also this is for maybe the future robot, the clean machine.
Cleaning robots. Autonomous cars. The car that drives by itself. What is the risk of jamming? Is it going to be more and more jamming in the future?
Yes, it must be.
There will be. Like some people will try to jam this guy.
Jam this guy. If it not install it, this machine you will lose the control.
But what about if somebody is very smart? Can they still jam your system? Like some smart solution will jam also this, or will never be possible to jam it?
It's antenna technologies. It only receives the signal, so it's lost the communication channels. No one can hack into it.
Impossible to hack into it. But maybe you can broadcast fake signal.
You can broadcast, but it can
recognize it's a fake.
Intelligent, correct to the right one.
This is in Shenzhen.
This is in Nanjing.
Nanjing.
And it's already run in the Yangtze River Delta. There should be 2,000 clean machines with these antennas.
And here it says the 11th Hong Kong Value Creation Merit Award.
We got this by the company colleague yesterday.
Do you have competitors also do similar technology, or you're the best in the world?
Actually, we do have the competitors. Especially
what do they do, the competitor?
In United States and Israel. And we know their price is, the price of the product is
ridiculous.
Ridiculous, higher than us.
They only keep it for military.
They only offer,
only for military.
Only offer for military.
But you make it possible for everybody to use. It's open.
It's open.
No limit who can buy. Right. Is it mass production already? Mass production? Is
production,
easy to order now?
Yeah,
Big quantity?
not easy to order because we are a startup company, you know. In the future,
In the future will be more quantity?
Yeah.
The problem I see, I mean, I don't know, is it a problem or not? If I need to add this to a drone, is it add some weight or is similar to weight to the other antenna?
Only no more than 100 gram. Yeah,
100 gram for the drone?
Yeah.
It's okay for the drone.
it's full.
It's just 3 minutes less flying.
3 minutes, that's all.
Maybe it will fly a little bit shorter because it needs to carry your antenna.
But actually, for the BeiDou technology, there are no limitation of the flying height and the speed. It's quite different from the GPS.
And to have the most accurate location technology, it's better to combine Beidu together with GPS, together with the GLONASS.
With GLONASS and,
it's better to combine them, right? To get the best accuracy.
The big one. This is combine all the GNSS signals, so it's installed in the airplane.
And do you have any plan to partner with, for example, U-Blocks from Switzerland, who make the chips for localization, that you can also help them?
Maybe in the future.
All right, cool. Okay, thanks a lot.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.